Perfect Indian Masala Tea. Are you ready to embark on a sensory journey through the flavors of India? Grab your favorite mug as we dive into making the perfect Indian Masala Tea, an aromatic delight that warms the soul. Let's unlock the secrets behind this traditional brew cherished worldwide. Masala tea is more than just a beverage. It's an immersive experience of spices that invigorates the senses. The key ingredients include ginger, cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon. Each spice plays its part in creating a harmonious blend that transforms every sip into pure comfort. Begin by gathering high-quality black tea, fresh ginger, cardamom pods, cloves, cinnamon sticks, peppercorns, and sugar. Use whole spices to maximize flavor. Don't forget the milk. The creamy base enhances the rich, spicy profile, turning it into a velvety indulgence. Start by lightly crushing the spices. This releases their natural oils, intensifying their flavors. A mortar and pestle work wonders. The aromatic fragrance hints at the depth these ingredients will impart to your tea, setting the stage for an unforgettable brew. Bring water to a boil and introduce the crushed spices. Let them simmer, allowing the spices to fully infuse the water. The air fills with a robust aroma as the flavors mingle, setting the foundation for your invigorating tea experience. Add black tea leaves to the boiling spiced water. The dark, rich essence of the tea blends seamlessly with the spices, crafting a bold brew. Steep for a few minutes to achieve the desired strength, allowing the flavors to become deeply entwined. Now, pour in the milk. Watch as it swirls through the spiced tea, creating an enticing shade of amber. The milk transforms the tea into a creamy delight, balancing the boldness of spices and the strength of the black tea with a velvety smoothness. Introduce sugar to taste, stirring until fully dissolved. The sweetness should complement rather than overpower the spice, resulting in a harmonious blend. Remember, a perfect masala tea balances sweetness with spice, creating a soothing, invigorating experience. Strain the tea into a teapot or directly into cups. Sip slowly, savoring the melody of flavors in each mouthful. The warmth and richness envelop you, delivering the authentic Indian masala tea experience with every comforting sip. Every ingredient tells a story, uniting to create a sensorial experience deeply rooted in tradition. Each cup offers warmth and familiarity, evoking memories and new beginnings. It's not just tea, it's a cherished moment of tranquility. Ready to embrace the magic of Indian masala tea? Gather your spices and infuse your life with warmth and flavor. Share your tea-making journey, connect with fellow enthusiasts, and explore endless possibilities with each unique brew. Brew and savor the magic, one cup at a time.